Welcome back. In your health headlines this morning, the rising cost of health care may be affecting your overall health. A study from the American Cancer Society examined whether there is a link between medical debt and public health. ABC's Alexis Christoforis has the findings.
Researchers are saying medical debt may be a threat to Americans' health. A study by the American Cancer Society examined whether there's a link between medical debt in collections and health status in the U.S. The findings that medical debt was associated with more days of poor physical and mental health, more years of life lost due to premature death, and higher mortality rates. Dr. Robin Yabroff is the senior author of the study.
So we found really striking consistency across every type of health outcome that we measured.
This includes a strong association across all major causes of death, including heart disease, cancer, and suicide, suggesting that financial hardship may cause a strain on physical and mental health.
Counties with higher levels of medical debt also had higher levels of population without a high school degree, living in poverty, unemployed, and also uninsured.
And individuals living in states that elected not to expand Medicaid to income-eligible populations under the Affordable Care Act were also more likely to have medical debt.
Medicaid expansion in states that have not yet done so, there are currently 10. That is one important policy solution for mitigating medical debt and also mitigating the adverse health effects of medical debt.
Dr. Yabroff says another solution is for policymakers to improve state-based policies for financial assistance and payment plans. And the new proposed rule by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to remove medical debt from credit reports may help too. Dr. Yabroff says patients don't always know what the costs will be before receiving health treatment and suggests a discussion take place between provider and patient.
This is especially important if there are treatment options that may be similarly effective but may have very different cost profiles.
Alexis Christoforis, ABC News, New York.
According to KFF, over 100 million Americans have some form of medical debt. That's nearly a third of the population. And our coverage of health news can also be found at WQAD.com. Head to our website and you'll find Your Health in the search bar at the top of the page. In fact, you can find all of our Your Health stories in that section of WQAD.com.